before stardom. That was funny. You're like, stop doing that. Is it start over? You got freaked out. Trying to fly. Okay, this is called the hamster maze. Okay. So this is 39 movie cases we used to make this maze. I'm Brianna. That's Taylor. This is the three-legged hamster Stubby. He's a dwarf hamster. And Tanya is the one that's directing right now for the video. She'll be in the other videos. Okay, so this is what Stubby has to do. He has to start from here, and he has to go all the way around the maze, and then enter in the ball. So that he has to do that, and with the Eye of the Tiger song on.
1 second.
Okay? So, put Stubby down, Taylor, but don't let him go through the maze.
Go.
Here we go.
Stupid. Block him off. Just block him off, Brianna. Don't push him. Just block him off. There. Watch it. Look how fast that. Dude, watch it. You know shit's gonna be on the floor.
Go, dude.
Get out of my way.
Back on the street.
To the video too. Hurry. Oh, he's almost there. He's almost there. Oh, I'm trying up the rocky stairs. Oh, so it's there.
Other way, Stubby.
Your dad took it to bed with him like I'm at TNT. And he did it!
And he made it! Oh yeah. The hamster makes it! The three-legged hamster in the victory race.
Eye of the Tigers, the three